Today is day 20 and March 20th. It's been a long time and I didn't make any videos. Because in my last video, I have said that I will not gonna upload any videos until I am done with my routine. Say uploaded my routine, although it's under my whiteboard a little bit. See a lot of things in here. Wait. Okay. So this is my whiteboard. It's 60 by 90 centimeter and I get it for pretty cheap. Actually, not me. I asked my friend to buy it for me because when I was going to buy it, I didn't have any offer or coupons. So I asked her to buy it for me because if I was gonna go buy this thing, it would be cost me like 34 RMB or 34 yuan. But she got it for me for 22. And this thing, like this is double-sided. From the front it's a whiteboard and from the back it's a blackboard. So I like to use the whiteboard. So I'm not gonna use the blackboard, and I don't like chalks getting on my hands because I'm inside my house and getting dust, so I don't like it. And with this board I have got like 5 markers. They give me 5 markers, 1 blue, 1 red and 1 black, and also these magnets. These are magnets and those things can stick to the board. See, this thing sticks. And also the duster, although the quality is not good for this duster, it's okay. This one also sticks, so I'll give it 4.2 out of 5.
Oh my god.
It could be better, but I got it, so that's a pretty high rating from me. And I will not gonna use it right now, so I'm gonna put these things back inside the packet and nothing else because I don't have any content. What type of video should I make? I don't even know. So today is the last day of Ramadan and I will be free to make some videos about food, exercise and everything else, because during this month I didn't have the ability to do exercise or make those progressive videos because I was not consistent. So this is for today. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Ta-ta.